Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable Instagram's active now status and keep your activity private. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Instagram. Now go to your account. Press on your menu. Now scroll down and press on messages and story replies. Here you can see the option of show activity status. Click on this. Now if you want to disable Instagram's active now status and keep your activity private, you just have to turn off the button. That's it. So this is how to disable Instagram's activeness status and keep your account private. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.